I'll be showing you how to change in a wheelchair as a paraplegic. Welcome to another video, but if this is your first time here, then consider subscribing because once a week I give a shout out to a new subscriber. If you're struggling or don't know how to change in a wheelchair, well, I'll be showing you a clip of me changing my chair. But before I start, it's time to give a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Lindia Chain. Real quick, I'd like to mention I went on Wheelchairs Rick's podcast and he asked me 10 questions and I'll be leaving a link to his channel in the description. Alright guys, without any more time wasted, let's begin. So I'm about to record a video outside, but I need to get dressed. So first thing what I do is I just take off my shirt, and how I do that is I have my hand on my knee and I just take it off with one hand. And the reason for that is because I have no core balance and I cannot just use both hands. And then what I'll do is for my shorts, I'll pick it up with like my thumbs and then I'll lift myself up, tuck it under, and then pull it down. Then I'll lift up my legs and just take it off. Then what I'll do is I'll have like my clothes all right here, so it's just something easier for me to just grab and just put on. Then I like to bunch it up, just makes things easier. Then what I'll do is I just like grab my leg for like my calf and just like bend my knees like this and just put on my pants. Then same thing, bunch it up, grab my leg and just put my feet through. And then to pull up my pants is I grab it from my thumb and then I just like lift up, scoot forward and back. Then I'll put on my socks. Same thing, bunch it up. Short socks are actually easier to put on than longer socks. Especially if like the longer socks are like much tighter. It's going to be harder to put on. I like to put my shoes on right after I put on my socks so I don't need to like keep going back and forth, picking up my feet and stuff like that. And I just use the Velcros, and it's not because I don't know how to tie my shoe. It's actually pretty easy. I could make a separate video about how to put on regular shoes with shoelaces, but right now I'm just using Velcro shoes. And then put this other shoe on. And put my shirt on. And that's how I get dressed. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully by now you're ready to subscribe. And if you learned anything, then leave a like. And if you guys have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And if you guys appreciate what I do and want to help donate, then I'll be leaving my Cash App in the link in the description. Any donations will help me keep making video for you guys so I could pay for my editing plan. Then also so I could buy anything that I want so I could keep improving my videos for you guys. I'll also be leaving Wheelchairs Rick's podcast in the description. Well, that's it for this video. As always, stay humble. Till next time, bye.
Yes.